Hey darlings, this is Emma and you are back here on my YouTube channel where I'm trading on pocket option and sharing every single step of this wonderful journey with you. I decided to make this session a little extra spicy. That's why I am going to be dealing with crypto. Yeah, a very controversial topic, but I will prove you that even in this market, you can make money and profits trading if you know what you're doing and if you're using the right strategies. So let's get started and let's find out together how much I can make using my knowledge and my skills. All right, so first of all, candles and one for the time frame. I'm going to enable the timer and I'm gonna need just a couple of instruments today, MACD and the Bollinger bands. Yes, keeping it to the minimum. Let's see a little bit of the history on this market and what's been going on. Okay, I think we need a little extra support here. I'm gonna need a trend line to ensure that I'm seeing the trend anchors. Okay, right around there. I can see what's happening, but let me zoom in so you can see it too. And all right, so the reason why I drew the trend line, I just want to reinforce that, was to check the trend anchors. And currently it is still upward. But here I'm seeing the price crossing it downward, which is a great setup for entering a short. MACD also gave us a sell signal, so that's going to be a put option. And it's time to go for a short. That's right, darlings. And if you want to grow your trading account and build consistent results, one thing I can recommend you is to join my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, and everything you need to level up your trading game is waiting for you there. So do not miss out. You will not regret it, I promise. Yes, and the first profit is here. Wonderful. That's just wonderful. Okay, we are going steadily up. Maybe not. Let's see what's up with Solana. Well, once again, we need that extra support to confirm that I'm seeing the most informative picture of the market. All right. Well, $105.06 for this next bead. And it's time for some action. You see, there is a strong rebound upward from the support zone and the breakout through the trend line to the upside. Previously, it showed a downtrend in the coin, but now it is broken. And the oscillator also signals growth. So the only way here is the way up, and we are going all the way up. Trust me. I recently rewatched this movie, a very classic one, The Groundhog Day, and it got me thinking that trading is such a great way to avoid getting stuck in the same patterns and the same routine, because when you do trading, you have all this freedom of opportunities lying in front of you. So you just gotta choose what you want. And that is truly, truly amazing. Fantastic result. I love it. $202.75. Yes, we are moving up pretty steadily. Okay, let's find out if we can trade on Polygon. And in fact, I think we can. All right, let's get the bid up, $202.75, and take a closer look, darlings. There is a rejection downward from the resistance, and MACD shows a crossover with the histogram moving below zero. And you know what that is? That's right, it's a put option. Let's go down. Let's go down. All right, love it. Well done. Almost 400, 388. Let's get ourselves the next asset pair. Yeah, I think it's gonna work. $389.28 is what I'm placing for this next one. And I see a breakout upward through the middle Bollinger band. MACD is showing the bullish crossover. Plus, take a look here. A hammer candlestick pattern has formed, which is a clear signal for growth. So that's going to be a call option, and we are going up, up, and up. That is right. Darlings, if you do not feel confident about your trading skills and you want to improve it, I can totally help you with that and many other things when it comes to trading. All you gotta do is click the link below this video and join my Telegram channel, because that's the place where I support you in every aspect of your trading journey. So do not miss out. Yes, another amazing result. Well done. $747.42. You see, it's growing consistently, and that's the best way to grow. Okay, Cardano, what's your history? Let's zoom in here and see. Okay, the bid is up to $747.42, and let's go right away. A strong seller enters here, and we can see the large bearish candle. So since there is a confident breakout down through the middle Bollinger band, and oscillator also strictly confirms the short, the only option I see here is a put option. So we are going for a short right in that wave and enjoying the result. Yes, amazing. $1,435.05. Do you know what I'm talking about? Yes, it's way over 1,000 now. Yes. Okay, $1,435 is my next bid. Yep. Well, from what I'm seeing here, there is a rejection downward from the upper Bollinger band, and MACD is giving us a strong sell signal. So I'm entering a put option here, expecting at least a move down to the middle Bollinger band. Oh, it's going to happen. We don't need the biggest move of all time. We just need a moderate one at least. And I can see that my thoughts are heading in the right direction. Let's see. Here we go, $2,755. What a wonderful result, and what a wonderful session. Crypto could be fun if you know what you're doing. And if you're trading crypto on pocket option, that could be the best experience ever. There are links. And if you're still unsure how trading works and you want to learn it and you want to build the consistent results and you love the educational approach to strategy, my Telegram channel is the place to be. Make sure you join me. The link is right below this video, and it's gonna change the way you see and feel about trading. It's gonna give you that extra support that you most likely are craving or haven't been craving for a long time. So I'll see you there. Also, thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my content. That means everything to me. I love you guys. You are the best. And I cannot wait to see you back here really, really soon. Bye.